Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to use the Slim Barrel Smoker again. You know, it's a new toy. I got to do all the cooks on it. Today I'm going to do a tri-tip. It's only about a 2 1/4 pounder. Before we get started, let's get inside. I'll show you how I prepare it. Then we'll come back out, get it on the Slim Barrel Smoker, and we'll get this thing going. All right, here's my tri-tip. I've got all the silver skin and everything cut off of here. It's about 2 1/4 pounds. I've got some beef broth in my cup already. I added some of this red chili powder to it, and I'm also going to use some Meat Church Holy Cow for the rub. But before I do that, I am going to inject this tri-tip with my beef broth and red chili au jus. Just stick it everywhere you can. It'll plump up in spots. And then I'm going to clean up some of the excess before we get the rub on. I'm not going to add anything else because all that delicious juice will hold the rub. So we're going to get rubs on both sides. We're going to go pretty liberal. It's a good sized piece of meat, so we can take it. We're going to get our meat stick in there so that we can take this to the perfect temperature. Just like that. Now let's get it out to the Slim Barrel Smoker. All right, I have had my tri-tip sitting in the fridge for a couple of hours. I've had it sitting out on the counter for about 30 minutes, and we're ready to put this in the Slim Barrel Smoker. The SBS. I love this thing. All right, let's do this. We got this set at 275. It is heating up. I just got the charcoals in it. The Slim Barrel Smoker. While it heats up, I'm getting my potatoes in there. Alright, we'll be back with the tri-tip when it's ready. Alright, we got the Slim Barrel Smoker up the tip. Got our potatoes in there. There's our tri-tip. Just get that on there and get it going. Let this go at 275 until it's ready. We'll know by our meat stick. I don't know if you can hear that fan kick on. Keep the temperature up. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, my meat stick's saying it's 130 degrees. Look at that. Alright, look at that. Alright. Take this off. Take the meat stick out. Check our potatoes. Oh, they still got a little ways to go. Cover it with foil and let our potatoes go. All right, it's been resting about 15 minutes. Look at that. Man, it does smell good. All right, let's cut into it. See how we did. And of course it's a tri-tip, so I'm going to cut the grain right here.
That's nice.
Oh, look at that. Don't look too bad. All right.
Man, that cut real nice.
Now that was 130 degrees internal temperature. It's been sitting though for 15 minutes. It's not super pink, but look at that. It is soft. It's like a medium rare. Man, it smells so good. All right, so this is super, super moist. Look at that. It's not all pink, but it's only 130 degrees. So let's take a bite of this. I injected it with the beef broth and red chili and used Meat Church Holy Cow. That is really good. Now doesn't that look delicious? All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.